Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cuckoo wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. As we normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports wey we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration Control (NAFDAC) dem now don seal up one illegal packaged water factory wey dey go by the name Mzi Table Water, and this factory dey for inside Damangaza district of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja. For one statement wey dey issued by the agency, dem now dey let men dey know say dem shut down the water factory sake of say the factory dey operate under unhygienic conditions. The factory dey operate for where no make sense, and also the water factory dey produce water with a fake and expired license, and the facility sef where the men dey produce the table water dey lack basic requirements such as a certified borehole and water treatment system. These two things wey dey very much necessary to produce a clean and hygienic water wey somebody go drink and go know say yes, im drink better thing, no be poison. Now after they don burst this illegal packaged water factory, the agents of the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration Control wey be NAFDAC, men wey dey on patrol still for inside the Federal Capital Territory, they can go discover and shut down a counterfeit rice operation for a shopping plaza wey dey opposite World Trade Center for inside Abuja. Now according to the agency wey be NAFDAC, they say the operators of this counterfeit rice then catch them red-handed as they dey rebag popular brands of rice. These men get packaging materials, they even get sealing machines wey worth over 60 million naira. The agency wey be NAFDAC then later seized the items from the operators, while one countryman wey dey go by the name Ikechukwu Elijah was arrested. And this country person, so Elijah, he na an unlicensed chemical producer. He was arrested in the Apowaru area of Abuja. This man, so Elijah, dey specialize in manufacturing and distributing hazardous, counterfeit and unregistered chemicals across the Apowaru area of Abuja and every other environment. And also the suspects man wey dey operate an illegal factory for inside one residential building, they arrest him alongside his younger brother after the operative of NAFDAC then discover counterfeit insecticide plus sealing machines and other equipment for the premises. Now sake of this feat, sake of this level so wey the agency now don do for inside Abuja, the Director General of the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration Control (NAFDAC), countryman wey dey go by the name Professor Mojisola Adeyeye, him na come dey feel the need to reaffirm the commitment of the agency. Him na come feel the need to dey tell the general public, to dey assure the general public say the agency, their mind still dey to make sure say Nigerians consume only safe food and medicine. Nigerians, only thing wey go enter their mouth to their belle na something wey dey safe, na something wey dey verified, na something wey dey clean, na something wey dey nice. But she can't urge the general public, she can't tell countrymen say make dem avoid unregulated products and make dem report suspicious activity, because all these suspects they go last face prosecution. They fit dey endanger the lives of countrymen. Countrymen fit no know. So it go good make them report any suspicious activity give relevant agency like the NAFDAC, because last them dey hustle to make sure say countrymen no eat something wey go give them RIP. And no be lie, some kind conditions, some kind environment wey some kind men dey produce some kind things, e no make sense at all. And with the things and things wey dey happen for our society today, e good make country people report them give NAFDAC. Meanwhile, anyhow the report be for body, feel free make you put them inside our comment section, and me still get another report for table wey I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa this time around be say e get one country person wey dey go by the name Aisha Yesufu. She na activist wey be say many country people dey know very well. She na don come outside the yarn say the Nigerian government don begin to dey program citizens to accept system glitches. They don begin to dey make moves so that when the 2027 general elections don reach and they can't do their magomago activities, they can't use system glitch as excuse, the general public go come sharply accept them. And before now after elections, 9 men dey hear this glitches wahala, but now system glitch don dey everywhere. Different government institutions, they don dey report system glitches and e no make sense. Some of these institutions dey include the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board wey be JAMB. Dis institution apologize for glitches for inside the 2025 UTME results. Even the West African Secondary School Certificate examinations and during the last election sef, technical glitches na stop the use of the Independent National Electoral Commission their result viewing portal wey be IREV. The renowned activist Aisha Yesufu dey let the general public dey know say all these levels so na just tactics wey the government dey use, and the purpose, the aim of this practice so na to prepare the general public ahead of the mago-mago activities and the excuse of technical glitch wey they wan plaster for the forthcoming poll. And this information so na inside our official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X, na she for drop am. In her own point of view, Aisha Yesufu, a country person will be one of the strongest supporters of the 2023 presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi. She now don deliver advice give the general public. Normally, who dey last win election dey depend on the countrymen wey dey vote for the candidates dem. But if e be say those candidates don already strategize, if e be say those candidates don already produce ways and means to take win election without the voting of country people, so help us God. This na the information wey I wan share give the general public. And anyhow the matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your remark, feel free make you drop down your own contribution inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like giving una legit news on politics and many other cuckoo with the sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this report, if you be say you like this update and you would like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel Anointed Lady TV. And don't forget to put on the notification bell. The reason why it is very much important be say as we dey bring more news, as we dey bring more legit dey come your side, then you go first get the update and you go even get am sharp. And also try make you dey share the news dey give your family and friends, so that them go know wetin dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. Now me dey go get more updates, me dey go gather more reports, me dey go gather more information for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.